Cycle Solutions is your one-stop shop for upgrades and service. Cycle Solutions, Fort Myers, and CycleSolutions.com. Taking your bike from the street to the strip.
This is Chris Waddell from Cycle Solutions. Got a 2018 Road King special here. We're doing some bars. I'm going to cover some of the different bars that we do. This particular set of chubbies. What we had to do with this particular bike, and this is a 16-inch version with throttle-by-wire. We actually converted the top clamp here under the mancel. We converted it over from 1 1/4 to 1 inch because that's how they make their bars. So this particular piece has all been replaced, so we can use a slightly skinnier bar down here. It's pretty slick. Some of the things we want to talk about when we do bars, and we do a good job when we do bars, is we specifically use the NAMS extensions pretty much in every single bike that we need them in. So this particular bike, we had to extend all the cabling that's inside of the bars. So instead of cutting and soldering, which leads to problems on anything throttle-by-wire, ultimately you're going to have a failure. These particular wiring extensions have all OEM plugs. So it is quite simply click and go. It's nice, it's clean. If there's ever a problem, one cable can be fixed, replaced, pulled out. Also in this particular case, we have to extend the lines, brake lines and clutch. So this is the Magnum setup. It's a braided wire. Everything's set up so it'll set right down on the ABS block. It's really nice and clean. We do a bunch of different style bars. This particular one's a 16-inch chubbies. Here's a set for a road glide. It's made by Fat Beggar. This bar is slick as can be. It has the traditional points. It's a 12-inch bar, but in the center it splits apart. So this bar is in two pieces so you can wire them independently, and it has two independent wire traces. The way this is put together, it's round. There's absolutely nothing sharp inside this bar. Take a walk over to a 17 Road Glide special, a Road King special here. This has a set of Arlen Ness 11-inch modular bars. What's slick about these bars is we can adjust the angles both forward and backwards. And then here, there's 5 bolts here, so we can bring them in. We can find that exact perfect distance for the rider, and it's very, very adjustable. Once you find exactly what you want, you lock them down and go. So we do a ton of bars here. Everything we do is first rate. We don't cut any corners, no soldering. Everything's plug and play. So if you'd like to do some bars, let us know. We have a lot of different brands. Tune in for more videos by liking us on Facebook, or check our website out, CycleSolutions.com. Thank you. If you want to be notified when new videos from Cycle Solutions are released, hit the like and subscribe button to follow us.